These are some very cute animals you should never touch. Number 1, the blue-ringed octopus. This very cute-looking octopus might seem small and harmless, but it carries a venom which can cause numbness, paralysis, and even respiratory failure, and no antidote has been found yet. Next, we have the poison dart frog, which is a very beautiful and colorful frog, which carries skin toxins that can cause numbness, muscle effects, and serious reactions if ingested or allowed to enter breaks in skin. While those bred in captivity are safe, you shouldn't touch them in the wild. Lastly, we have the slow loris. It looks like a plush toy, but has a very painful bite that can cause infections and life-threatening allergies. To counter that, pet trades break their teeth, which makes those poor animals suffer, and that's why you shouldn't keep them as pets.